Welcome back, viewers. Today we are going to take a look at Qemu. So Qemu is a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. So this software is widely used in all the Linux distributions, and it is offered and installed by default in all the Linux distributions. So you can check out this website for the Qemu. You can check out the download section, support section, contribute, docs, wiki, and the blog. So you will get a lot of information. So now we will go over to the main agenda of this video. So now you know what is Qemu, because most of the Linux users have at least used once this Qemu, and most of the Linux users have already used this Qemu. They know, but they are not knowing what exactly is Qemu, because they will use virtualization, they will install virtual machines, but they will not know Qemu, what is Qemu. So I have told you what is Qemu today. Now comes the main agenda or the main part of the video. Say you have installed the Qemu. The Qemu will of course install by default. So all the packages of the Qemu are not going to get installed. Only the default packages, the packages that are required to realize a virtual machine on the system, only those packages will be installed. And sometimes the user will face problem. So when you will start the virtual machine, there will be a message displayed that virtualization support is not available on your system. So in that case, you have to go in your BIOS settings and enable the virtualization support. But even after sometimes enabling the virtualization support, the same message will be again displayed that the virtualization support is not available on your system. So in that case, you have to install all these Qemu packages. So here you can see all these packages: Qemu system -zen, Qemu system -mips, Qemu system, Qemu guest agent, and the Qemu block extra. So when you will install all these additional packages, then after the reboot, your system will not display the message that the virtualization support is not there. So the virtual machine will run and you will get full virtualization support from your system for your virtual machine, and there won't be any issue, any misbehavior of the virtual machine. The virtual machine will not crash, and all the features and functionality of the virtual machine will be available. So to install all this, you have to open the terminal and you have to issue this command sudo apt install, and then all the extra packages of the Qemu. Then those packages you can see here will get started installing, and there will be some additional packages to fulfill the Qemu block extra. You can see it here. So Qemu A5 R64, Qemu A5 ARM, Qemu system ARM, Qemu system miscellaneous, Qemu system PPC, Spark. So this is the virtualization support for the different architectures, so hardware architecture. So you can see here ARM architecture, R64, then the this PPC, Spark. So this different architecture platforms support will also get installed. So total all these packages are going to get installed in addition to the packages that we wanted to install. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, you have to reboot your system and then you start your virtual machine. All the error messages will go away and your virtual machine will work very smoothly, and all the features of the Qemu system, that is the virtual system, will be available for your virtual machine. So now I'm going to stop the video. See you in the next video with some more information about different topics of Linux. Bye bye.